How do I program my dish remote to control the volume on my TV?
Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we will be learning how to program your dish remote so it can control the volume on your television. This is a simple process that can be completed in a few easy steps.
Identify your dish remote model.
The first step in the process is to identify your dish remote model. Dish Network has several different types of remote controls, and the process can slightly vary depending on which model you have. Your model number should be listed on the back of the remote.
Locate your TV's brand code.
Next, you need to locate your TV's brand code. This can be found in your Dish user manual or by searching online. Make sure to note down this code as you will need it for the programming process.
Programming your dish remote.
Now that you have the needed information, let's program the remote. 1. Turn on your television. Make sure your dish receiver and TV are powered on. 2. Press and hold the TV mode button on your dish remote until all the mode buttons light up. 3. Enter the code for your TV brand using the numerical buttons on the dish remote. 4. Press the pound button, # on your dish remote. If the code was entered correctly, the TV mode button should flash 3 times. 5. Press the volume up button on the dish remote. If the TV's volume changes, the remote has been successfully programmed.
Troubleshooting.
If you're unable to control the volume even after following the above steps, try using a different code for your TV brand. Some brands have multiple codes and you might need to try a few before finding the right one. And there you have it. You have successfully programmed your dish remote to control your TV volume. Enjoy the convenience of using a single remote for both your dish receiver and TV. If you have any other questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to Dish customer service. Happy viewing!